Hi, my name's Ron. What we have here is a 67 Fairlane, and it is a beauty. I mean, this car is just about as perfect as you can get. I'm going to walk around it a little bit here. Just wanted you to hear what it sounds like. It has a nice sound to it. And what I'm going to do is kind of turn this over to the guy that has it here, and he's going to tell you about it. If you have any questions on this, you can give him a call at 918-807-6665. His name's George. So here you go. George is going to tell you all about this. It's running, all you got to do is talk.
All right, 1967 Fairlane 500 XL. Has all the bucket seat interior, all been redone. This would be considered a resto mod. 302 V8, very well appointed, beautiful paint work, gorgeous interior, bucket seats, seat belts, 9-inch Ford rear end, 5-speed tranny, stick shift of course. Wonderful, wonderful restoration. Probably, definitely better than the car was new. I would rate this car probably, if not a 9, just real close. Everything's been done to it. Dual exhaust. You'll see some pictures of the underside of it. Very thorough pictures, so you can see how well it was done when it was restored. Once again, beautiful inside, black contrasting carpet, beautiful red interior, headliner. All the glass is great. All the glass mechanisms works as they should. Custom made center console with cup holders and storage. Great looking tire and wheel combination on it with knockoffs. Has AM, FM, CD radio combination with remote mounted in the glove compartment. Get a look here under the hood. Beautifully well done, very clean. Unbelievable job. Very nice. New radiator. All new when it was done. All new shocks. Underside of the hood is just as shiny and nice as the top side. Front disc brakes. Dual master cylinder. Gorgeous car, unbelievable. All the body moldings, great condition. All the stainless, beautifully polished, refinished. Inside the trunk, once again, finished just like the top side of the car. Wonderfully looking trunk area, rear spare and jack with all appropriate handle and mounting. Very, very nice looking car. This is a car that get out on the road and kick it in that fifth gear, and it just goes so nicely. Pulls strong in all gears. Mile cam 302. Nothing radical. Just an excellent driving car. Again, this is George. Give me a call at 918-807-6665.
Just one more thing on this. There'll be a link below the video in the description box, and it'll say Picasa on it or Google Photos. And if you click that link, it's just right below where you're watching this video. There'll be probably 100 pictures in there, and you can download those if you want to. YouTube lets you use Picasa and Google, and we'll probably put this on Craigslist, and Craigslist won't let you use Google, so you might see one or the other. But take a look at those pictures in that link. They're large files too. So again, give George a call, 918-807-6665. Thank you.